So this is the Camon 17 Pro with 8GB of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage, 90Hz refresh rate for the display, a 64 megapixel main camera, and it comes in at 125,000 naira. Now at this price point, I would say this is a nice spend with great performance. In fact, outperforming some similarly priced devices around this price point. I think I've used this device enough to be able to share with you guys my thoughts on the Camon 17 Pro. And so without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. I'm going to start with the unboxing here. You get a similarly designed box with the Camon 17. Same color, same size, but what comes in the box is what differs. Opening the box gives you the smartphone itself. Taking that aside, you get to see the TECNO warranty card with the TPU jelly case for the smartphone. Next up is the 25-watt fast charger to quickly juice up this device. You also get this pair of earphones and a USB-C connector. Not forgetting the SIM ejection tool within the box. Did I mention you getting the TECNO Buds one alongside when you purchase the TECNO Camon 17 Pro from an authorized dealer? Yeah, you get a pair of truly wireless earbuds that connect seamlessly with the smartphone. Now let's get back to the unboxing and enjoy that ASMR. We have a clean looking design and build made out of plastic. Again, very similar to the regular Camon 17. A consistent design here and a different approach from what we got from the Camon 16 and Camon 16 Premier from last year. I mean, this was a bold statement. You know, some things remain constant like the bottom headphone jack, mic opening, USB-C ports, and down-firing speakers. Also the right side mounted fingerprint sensor and power button below the volume rocker. Dual SIM tray with a dedicated micro SD card expansion slot. I'm not sure most average users will need a memory card on the TECNO Camon 17 Pro. It's 256 baby. Another great thing about this smartphone would be you hitting that like button right now as it does help us with the algorithm. Thanks. While you get a noise cancelling mic at the top, the rear has this familiar camera placement and the Camon branding to the bottom, while also being a fingerprint magnet. The front side of the Camon 17 Pro houses the huge display, a centered cutout notch, and an LED to the right side of the front. You also get a stereo speaker, one at the bottom and the other at the top, with both being about the same level of loudness. Although when you try to cover and listen to each of the speakers like individually, you notice the bottom firing speaker has a cleaner sounding audio. The frame here is plastic build and comes in 3 different colors I think. The one I have here is called the Ice Silver and it looks really good. This display on here is a 6.8-inch IPS LCD panel with full HD resolution, 500 nits of brightness, 90 Hz refresh for those fluid animations, 120 Hz touch sample rate, so picks up pure touch input quickly, which is quite great especially for gamers. Honestly, when you consider the price of this device right now, an AMOLED panel in terms of the display would have given this device an edge in this space. That's not to say this display is bad by any means. It is usable outdoors, providing you with good color rendition and basically gets the job done. Coupling 8GB of RAM, 256 gigs of storage with the MediaTek Helio G95 gives you an incredible performance here. Performance is really good on this smartphone, excellent in gameplay. I mean, you're coupling that with a 90Hz refresh rate. There's nothing really to complain about the smartphone. You have good RAM management, fast response, Android 11 and iOS 7.1. You have a couple bloatware to get rid of, though, as that's become my setup process for iOS. Now, the battery you have on here is a 5000 mAh battery, same as you'd get from the base model, the Camon 17, and actually higher than the Camon 16 Premier from last year. Like when you compare the Pro device here to the base unit, it was 5000 to 4500 mAh here. Now, this battery delivers about 6 hours screen on time from my tests. Nothing really surprising here and what I expected for the smartphone. You get a 25-watt fast charger to juice up the TECNO Camon 17 Pro. Of course, no wireless charging as you rarely see that around this price point. So battery life here is amazing. You get full speed charging with the fast charger on the Camon 17 Pro, and also it gets you through a day of use, a full day of use. Now let's talk cameras. In order from top to bottom, you get a 64 megapixel main lens, an 8 megapixel ultra wide which also doubles as a macro lens, the depth sensor, and another sensor which I'm not really sure what's about, maybe the low light camera. I don't know. You also get a 48 megapixel front-facing camera. Okay, this is one hell of a camera if you ask me. I tried to compare shots with other devices around the same price point, like the Redmi Note 10 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy A52. This was very much comparable with those devices. In general, I think this is an amazing camera system for the price. Clean images with pretty good colors in good lighting. Things only begin to fall apart in poorly lit situations, except you use the Super Night mode, which brings live to low light photos. Portrait edge detection is on point here and does a really good job too. In terms of the videos, you can shoot up to 4K 30 FPS and image stabilization is pretty good on this video. Well, you have to note that there's no form of stabilization at 4K, which is the highest resolution here. If you want that stabilized footage, you'd have to scale down to 1080p. Hey guys, Oscarmini here, and I'm testing out the front-facing camera for the TECNO Camon 17 Pro. I'm seeing this magenta tint to this video. I don't know, probably the display or something, but I'll check it out on a larger screen on the PC, yeah. So let me know what you think about the color reproduction and how this camera, the front-facing camera, handles the highlights here, and also the sound coming from this the smartphone. Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. You can get the Camon 17 Pro right now for 125,000 naira, which is in the $250 to $260 range. And when you purchase this device from an authorized dealer, you get alongside the TECNO earbuds for free, which is really easy to connect to the smartphone. These are called the TECNO Buds One. I think I mentioned that. So for the price of value you get from the smartphone, I would say this is a good deal, mix up with the competition, and in some cases outperforms the other devices around the same price point. I mean, you get great performance, good battery, good camera system, clean design, and a good display for $250. So let me know what you think about the TECNO Camon 17 Pro in the comment section below. I really love to hear your thoughts down there. Do not forget to like this video, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Other than that, it's goodbye, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Kuwait.